It is indeed a great honor for me to be amongst your company in Dhaka after many years. I am deeply grateful to the government of the People's Republic of Bangladesh for inviting me for this official visit. I am also thankful for the warm welcome and hospitality extended to me and my delegation by the government of Republic of Bangladesh. This evening is special as it brings together a broad spectrum of prominent personalities from politics, academia, business community and media. I deeply value the opportunity to interact with you all. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan and Bangladesh enjoy a multifaceted relationship deeply rooted in our shared history, common faith, and cultural similarities. We are two vibrant, dynamic, and resilient nations. Our countries are home to the proud people who have faced enormous challenges with dignity and forbearance. Our relationship is not merely political, but also grounded in cultural, spiritual, and familial ties. It seems and it stems from the centuries of shared traditions, Islamic heritage, social norms, linguistic connections, and literary expressions. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, these threads of commonality are woven into the very fabric of our two societies. Notwithstanding the twists and the turns of the history, the people of Pakistan have fraternal sentiments towards the people of Bangladesh and hold them in the highest esteem. We recognize and respect the sovereign choices of the Bangladeshi nation and believe in a future where our relations are defined not by what divides us, but what unites us. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, in this spirit, I wish to underscore the strong desire of Government of Pakistan to forge a cooperative and forward-looking relationship with Bangladesh. We are committed to engaging with all stakeholders, including government, political parties, academia, civil society, media, and youth for realization of the common goals such as peace, progress, and prosperity of our people and the region. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, my visit comes at a time when our region and indeed the world is undergoing rapid transformation. The challenges of climate change, economic volatility, global inequality, and security threats affect us all. We must work together to create an environment where youth from Karachi to Chittagong, Quetta to Rajshahi, Peshawar to Sylhet, and Lahore to Dhaka join hands to face these challenges and realize their shared dreams. I am glad to note that Pakistan-Bangladesh relations have witnessed a number of positive developments during the last 1 year. There is a significant progress in almost all streams of bilateral cooperation. The frequency of high-level exchanges has increased. Institutionalized mechanisms of bilateral engagement are being revived. Economic and commercial cooperation is gaining momentum. Educational and academic collaborations are being explored. Cultural exchanges are also taking place. In a nutshell, today, our bilateral relations are characterized by a new energy and a fresh enthusiasm. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, these developments amply reflect that our countries desire to move forward and tap the potential for greater bilateral cooperation for the benefit of our peoples. It is also heartening to note that Pakistan and Bangladesh enjoy commonality of views on a number of regional and international issues. Revival of the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, known as SAARC, is one such issue. We appreciate Bangladesh's role in conceiving SAARC as a potent platform for regional cooperation. South Asia, home to nearly a quarter of humanity, cannot afford to lag behind in regional cooperation and integration. We are hopeful that SAARC will be reinvigorated and our distances will inshallah shorten. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I sincerely believe that future of Pakistan-Bangladesh relations should be characterized by a forward-looking approach. It should be based on mutual respect and insulated from external pressures. It is our collective responsibility to ensure that our children inherit a relationship that is fraternal, cooperative, and filled with affection and opportunities. In the end, I would like to extend an open invitation to all of you to visit Pakistan, to engage with your counterparts, and to contribute to this new phase of our reinvigorated partnership. Our hearts are open and our intent is most sincere. Thank you once again for your gracious presence this evening. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us and help us in our efforts for unity, peace, and the collective good of our peoples of Pakistan and Bangladesh. I especially thank the advisor of Commerce of Bangladesh, who has been very kind to join us this evening, and I'm looking forward to meeting the different political leaderships, including the Chief Executive, Dr. Yunus.